In this video, we'll show you how to chat, share files, and make video or audio calls step by step. To start chatting, simply click on the chat icon. Type the name of the person you want to chat with in the search box. Select the required contact from the results. Type your message in the text box and click on the post button or press enter to send it. You can also send emoticons by clicking on the emoticons icon. To share files or documents via chat, click on the attached document icon. Now, let's move on to making video or audio calls. Click on the video icon to make a video call with any contact. Ensure necessary camera and microphone permissions are enabled. You can turn off the camera and mute the microphone whenever required. Similarly, click on the receiver icon to make an audio call. Provide microphone permissions if prompted. Once the call is done, click on the end button to end the call. That's it. Making audio and video call is simple as that.
Roombr.